Welcome to our second view tutorial on graphics in Python. Now, in our previous tutorial, we learned how to import a package called Kinta, and this particular package is a graphics package. So this is how we do it again. So we, from Kinta, spelt with a K, with a T, we import it, and then we've got to import all of it, so that's an asterisk. And then we want our root directory to be tk, open brackets, close brackets, and then we want to run that and loop that particular root directory by going root main loop. Okay, and that's a program, and all our coding's going to go in between here. So we created a label before, so I'm going to call this Ruby label, and that equals label, and in here we're going to set that in the root, and that we are going to actually give our text wow, welcome to my new program. Okay, and of course we need to pack that in, so we go ruby label dot pack, and that will put it in the root, and make sure we open and close brackets. And just to prove that this works, we run it and it opens, and you'll see very much the little thing, wow, welcome to my new program. Okay, close it off, close it off. Okay, so there's the first thing. We created a label, and we probably need to comment about that, so create a label. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a button, so let's create a button, and again we will call this, what will we call it? Let me see, we'll call it Sophia button. Sophia button equals button, and we open brackets, and that's going to be in the root, and our text for the button is going to be click, whoops, inverted commas, click here. And then of course we're going to Sophia button, we're going to actually put that or pack that into the program, and that's packed it into the program. So that's where we got up to last time. So let's run this and we'll see how it works. So we've got wow, welcome to my new program, and we've got click here, and that's where we got up to last time. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want the button to do something whilst we are programming, once we press it. And to do that, we actually need to define the program that is going to actually work with it. And to do that, we need to actually put it before the button. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll create the program to run the button. Okay, so we're going to create that here, and we're going to define that little program. So I'll just define, and we're going to call it Kiara, just because we can call it anything we like, and then open brackets, close brackets, and then you put the colon there, and that is where we can define everything from there. And you'll notice how it is immediately further over to the right, and everything we do here is going to go in there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to put in all of this program that we've created here. I'm going to put it in here. So I'm going to control exit out of there and then place it into there. And so what it's done is it's created a text within the Kiara button. Now at the moment it's not going to do anything, so if I run it, you'll just see the button. Watch. here's the button. And when I do anything with it, it does absolutely nothing. So all I've got is the button there. So how do I actually get this into the actual button? Well, what I do is I go over here, press a comma, and I write the word command. And then command equals Kira. And I don't put the brackets, open and close the brackets, because you can't do that within a button. And hopefully this will work. Now let's run it. So we've got a button up here. And if I click this, it says, wow, welcome to my new program. Now that's working beautifully, but watch what happens when I press this button twice. See how it's creating it. Wow, welcome to my new program. So just be aware that that is the case. So that is how we import or make the button do something. We write a little program that will actually do something, and we insert a command into the actual button to actually make it do something. Now, just a little extra thing for you. Let's go up to this part over here. If I press comma, I can put the foreground color, or the text color, FG, is equal to, and lower, we'll make it red, lowercase red. And what will happen if I run that, this is just a little extra, what will happen is when I click on here, the text is red now. Pretty cool. Although we could do even better. We can actually put a background color on there. So BG equals, and this is going to be ghastly, I know, blue. And if I run it, when I click here, see how it's blue in the background. So I can set up colors there. I can actually use any format of colors. I can use hex colors, I can use RGB colors, etc. I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you later.